Welcome to WhatNext Era, the place where impossible questions become doorways to astonishing truths. Tonight, imagine the universe ripping away one of its greatest secrets right before your eyes. What if the invisible scaffolding of reality suddenly stepped into the light? What if the hidden mass-shaping galaxies became visible across the sky in an instant? Prepare yourself, because if dark matter appeared, the universe we thought we knew would never look the same again. If dark matter suddenly became visible, the first shock would be visual rather than physical. For decades, scientists have known that most of the universe's mass is made of something unseen, detectable only through gravity. Yet if it turned visible overnight, the sky would transform into a cosmic web of glowing structures. We would see immense halos surrounding galaxies, vast filaments stretching across intergalactic space, and enormous clumps of matter that were always there but never before perceived. The night sky would no longer appear as scattered points of light but as a dense, luminous network holding everything together. Cities on Earth would experience an immediate sense of disorientation. The familiar constellations would still exist, but they would be embedded inside enormous translucent clouds and streams of visible dark matter. Some regions of the sky would glow faintly with massive concentrations of this newly visible substance. People might see enormous spherical halos around the Milky Way itself, stretching far beyond the visible stars. The realization that our galaxy is suspended inside a gigantic invisible structure, now visible, would reshape our sense of place in the universe overnight. Scientists would scramble to analyze what they were seeing. Telescopes designed to detect light from stars would suddenly capture vast new patterns. Observatories would map the distribution of visible dark matter and confirm theories about how galaxies are formed and held together. For the first time, humanity would see the full architecture of cosmic structure, galaxy clusters connected by filaments like a giant three-dimensional web spanning billions of light-years. This sudden clarity would revolutionize astrophysics, turning decades of mathematical predictions into direct observation. On a planetary level, Earth might not be physically affected right away, because dark matter interacts very weakly with ordinary matter. However, if it became visible, it would suggest a change in its properties, perhaps a new interaction with light or electromagnetic forces. That shift could mean dark matter might start interacting more strongly with our world. Satellites orbiting Earth could detect dense streams of this matter passing through space. Space agencies would monitor whether these streams exerted new forces on spacecraft or subtly influenced planetary motion. If dark matter halos around galaxies became visible, the scale of cosmic structures would be overwhelming. The Milky Way's halo alone is believed to extend far beyond the visible disk of stars. Suddenly, our galaxy would appear embedded in a gigantic glowing sphere many times larger than what we can currently see. Other galaxies in the night sky would display similar halos, and clusters of galaxies would look like islands surrounded by enormous luminous clouds. Humanity would finally witness the true size and shape of the structures governing cosmic motion. The psychological impact on humanity would be profound. For centuries, people have gazed at the stars and believed they were seeing most of what exists. The sudden visibility of dark matter would reveal that the familiar universe is only a small fraction of reality. The majority of mass and structure would now be visible as vast, previously hidden formations. This realization might inspire awe but also existential unease. People would feel both humbled and amazed by the knowledge that the universe has always been far more complex than our senses allowed us to perceive. Technological advancements would accelerate rapidly. With visible dark matter, scientists could study its density, movement, and behavior directly. New instruments would be designed to measure how it flows through space and interacts with galaxies. Space travel might even change if dark matter could be harnessed or manipulated. Engineers would explore whether its gravitational influence could be used for propulsion or energy generation. Entire new fields of research would emerge, focused on understanding how this once invisible substance shapes cosmic evolution. Earth's night sky would become dramatically brighter in certain regions. If dark matter emitted even faint light when visible, the cosmic web connecting galaxies might appear as a glowing lattice stretching across the heavens. Rural areas would experience breathtaking views of these structures, while city dwellers might see faint luminous patterns above the glow of artificial lights. The sky would become a dynamic map of mass and gravity, revealing the invisible forces that have always guided celestial motion. Astronomers would revisit every major theory about the universe's origin and fate. Dark matter plays a crucial role in the formation of galaxies and the expansion of cosmic structures. Seeing it directly would allow scientists to test long-standing models with unprecedented precision. They could observe how dark matter clusters around galaxies, how it moves during galactic collisions, and how it behaves over time. This sudden visibility would likely lead to breakthroughs in understanding the universe's birth and its ultimate destiny. If dark matter became visible everywhere at once, the transformation would not just be scientific but cultural. Art, philosophy, and religion would all respond to the revelation of a hidden cosmic layer. Painters and filmmakers would depict the glowing web of matter connecting everything. Philosophers would reflect on the idea that reality contains vast unseen dimensions. Many would feel a renewed sense of wonder about existence, while others might struggle to reconcile the familiar world